Question one, Wyatt Robbins with Frontier Precision. So I think that one of the biggest challenges really in the industry right now is this potential shift away from Chinese manufactured drones. So a lot of what we've been seeing at the show is companies and government agencies trying to find alternatives to maybe a DJI system or other Chinese manufactured systems that they're already currently flying. So a lot of the drones we have at this booth are all alternatives to that. So we have anything from small UAVs that carry small RGB cameras all the way up to like really large hybrid systems that'll fly with a 10-pound payload for 2 to 3 hours. So that's really, I think, one of the biggest challenges not only individual companies or personnel at a company are facing, but the entire U.S. drone market and potentially the global drone market is facing right now. And that means there's a lot of work to be done by the U.S. drone manufacturers to try to step up their game and be able to compete technologically with companies like DJI. And there's a pretty long path for that. So I'm excited about a lot of the few releases by these various companies over the last few months, and excited to see where the U.S. drone industry is headed.